How to change your brand name on your Amazon listing. I will show you what has worked for us in this step-by-step guide. So stay tuned. As you can see here, we just got a client's brand name changed on his listing, and I will show you how you can do the same. Maybe you still have a generic brand, maybe you have used the wrong brand name or something, and you think, oh, well, what can I do now? Maybe you've already contacted the seller support, and the seller support advises you and says, yeah, you have to create a new listing and you have no other way around to change your brand name on the listing, and that's wrong. You can do that. I will show you exactly how. Here is my company's, my agency's SOP. And of course, why to do that? It would, in clear words, it would suck to create a new listing. Maybe you have stock attached to your listing. Maybe you have already a good ranking with your listing. Maybe you also have a few reviews to your listing, and changing that would suck. And now maybe your listing isn't attached to a real brand or is attached to a generic brand, and so you don't have all of the advantages you have when you have a brand. You can't use the Amazon Wine program, you can't use A+ content, you don't have all the insights into the brands you normally have on Amazon. And so here is how to change the attached brand to your product listing. You open two cases, one with the seller support and one very, very important. It's even more important. I see that they even more important can change that. You open two cases, one with the seller support and one with the brand support. You write this message and you send the following documents: the proof of brand registry, a product image or product images which are clearly showing the brand name, and you are sending also the manufacturer or official website showing your brand name. Be prepared for some back and forth. Sometimes it goes through faster, sometimes it goes through less fast, sometimes it doesn't go through at all. But in my case, in 9 out of 10 cases, we can do that. That has at least worked for us, and you can easily do the same or contact as well us if you need some help. So here's the message I sent. Hello, the brand name for ASIN XXS is currently listed as XXX. We kindly request you to update the brand name to XXX as the current brand name is incorrect. The correct brand name should be XXS. Please find attached the following documents: proof of brand registry for XXX, product images clearly showing the brand name XXX, manufacturer of or official website showing XXX as the brand name, xxx.com. Thank you in advance for your support. And I will also show you how to do that. I think you're very aware how to open a case on the Seller Central, but I will show you in case you don't know. It's here on the right side. You have the help. You can click on help, get help and resources. You click on that. You create a new issue. Inventory, brand update, brand name information on the detail page. I wouldn't do that. You can also click on that, but it's normally just for typos, etc. But you can do that, open it, and then answer on that, because normally then you can enter an ASIN and you can click on that and open the case up again and chat with the support, because often there it's just if there's a typo, I don't know, your brand's name is Coca-Cola and it's written Coca-Coda, I don't know, then they maybe can change it. But here normally I don't have the best experiences with that, but you can do it, you can try it. If not, you can also, what I would do, I would create a new issue and I would just click my issue is not listed. I would describe my issue, I would write this one here, hello blah 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 blah, in advance for your support. I would attach all here, You can add an ASIN and then you click on continue, and you will be able to open up a chat or send an email, and that's what you should do. You can continue, okay, continue, you wait. Okay, I haven't added an ASIN, that's the issue. But of course, if you would have entered everything, that normally would work. And then you can go further and back until it comes under the eyes of someone who can just change it. But what I also would directly do, what you need to do is you also should directly go into the brand registry, click on support, brand support case log, you go in that. You can create a new issue. We'll also see there's this one here, enrollment inquiries manual, and there's even a listing issue. Like you have a listing issue and they say to you, if you say listing issue, they say go to the Amazon seller support. But you shouldn't do that. You should click on technical issue. That's, if I'm not wrong, the only way how to contact them. Then you use some technical issue. Here you can only enter 80. You can only enter 80 characters. So you can create a very small version of what I've written to you. You can say to ChatGPT, please pull it down to 80 characters. You can attach all of the files. You can open the case, and then later on you can answer it via a chat. So you can directly go into the chat, or you can also start with the chat, one of those, and you do that. And that normally works, and I will also show you again the screenshot that in my case it has worked, and that's already it. Then it takes a few days until if you get the right person to have a look on it, you will get an email that it will be updated in a few days, and that's actually it. If this video was helpful for you, please like the video, subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, please ask them below in the comments. And if you would like to work with our service, feel free to reach out and click the link below. See you next time. Have a good day. Bye bye.